gonna match any price out there that you can get. Like, let me ask you this: is it more important to you to get this done right, or are you looking for the result, or are you just looking for the lowest price? It's done right, and we're gonna be here a while, and it's like, okay, so when they respond that way, like, it's like, so that makes us a good fit. I mean, we've already done all the research. We know where we sit in the market. And the reason that we are able to offer this guarantee is because you're not going to find another company out there that's going to do everything that we're doing for a lower price. So if all that sounds good and you're comfortable with all that, let's go ahead and move forward and get that installed on Wednesday.